Hello, my name is Serena Fu, and I'll be discussing the topic of technological advancements. So first ask yourself this: what is an advancement? Generally, people would think that it's just a small alteration in a technology that improves the functions, but I believe it should be an innovation that could potentially change the lifestyles of people. So this poses a question: are these technological advancements beneficial or detrimental to our society? My personal stance is that these technological advancements are beneficial and can help us create a better society. In this presentation, I'll be presenting the technological advancements in communication and in the medical field. So first, in communication. Unlike in the past where it might have taken a very long time just to send a simple message to someone, advancements in communication can help people communicate faster than ever before. It can also let people talk to people globally and to foreign countries. With these functions, it allows technology to be convenient and almost accessible to everyone. So one example of a technology that has advanced communication is the phone. The first phone was invented in 1876 by Alexander Graham Bell, and he made a technology that allowed people to have live conversations with each other without them ever having to actually meet in person. The concept of the phone was further developed into the iPhone when Steve Jobs invented this in 2007. This allowed the phone to be a mobile device where anyone could take it anywhere at any time. It also had the function to store contact numbers, so it was more convenient for users, and it had the function to leave messages or send messages, so it's not just limited to calling. Although this had really good benefits, some skeptics believe that the phone has some disadvantages, such as the cancer that it can cause from the radiation. But the National Cancer Institute has reported that researchers and developers are improving the functions of the iPhone, and it's lowering the levels of the radiation. So moving on to the stimulus packet from the extrasensory perception packet, it said that progress was being made in microelectronics design and the electromagnetic spectrum. And a microchip that's affordable for the public can now link an array of sensors to wireless communications network. This passage allowed me to think about the benefits of communication. So moving on to the medical field. First, we have the research aspect of science. It allows scientists to have a faster and more accurate information and conduct more intricate studies, covering a wider range of topics at a faster pace. So one example is the microscope that's being used to study these researches. The first microscope was a compound microscope invented by Zacharias Janssen in the 1590s, and it was composed of about two sets of lenses that had a magnification up to 9 times the size of the object. This microscope has developed into the laser scanning 2-photon microscope, which allowed scientists to magnify an object up to 10 million times the size, which is a big difference from just the 9 times. And also had the function to take an image, take a picture of the image that was being shown for future references. This 2-photon microscope was used in the olfactory research report in the stimulus packet, and they were able to make the discovery that these, in a fruit fly's glomerulus, they were activated by CO2. And this discovery was only made possible with the advancement of the microscope. So despite, another topic in the field is applications. The applications such as the equipments and the treatments scientists have. And these applications and advancing can cause for a faster and more precise treatment process, such as surgeries with machines or better vaccines, and increase success rates. So one example is a 3D printer, and it allows scientists to print out instrumentations and tools for surgeries, and as well as implants and cosmetics and prototypes for models for scientists to study. At Cornell University, they're printing out lifelike ears in order to treat birth defects or people who have lost their ears. So despite all these positive influences technological advancements have, some skeptics still believe that it's more detrimental for the future. One example is that people think that advancements can take over jobs and human jobs, so unemployment rates will increase. BBC reports that out of a study of 46 countries and 800 occupations by the McKinsey Global Institute, they found that 1/5 of the global workforce will be affected by these technological advancements. This may seem a lot. 20 million of these people people will still be able to easily transfer to other industries, according to the McKinsey report. So there's not as much to worry about, and it's better, and it still allows people to have jobs. Jobs with human interactions also allows with a lesser chance of being replaced by robots and stuff, such as doctors or teachers, because they need direct human contact. So with all this in mind, although people still doubt there are technological advancements are detrimental to our society, there has been proven evidence showing that these advancements are are drastically improving lives. This all leads to the conclusion that technological advancements are beneficial to our society and can help us create a faster, more efficient, and educated future. Thank you.
All right. So let me ask you a couple of questions. How did you handle the differing perspectives in order to reach a conclusion?
Well, I had to research multiple different perspectives, such as communication and in the medical field. And with these, they had advantages and disadvantages. And however much they impacted society and influenced the society in the future, I took that into account by deciding my final conclusion. And since most of the evidence I found that proved technological advancements to be beneficial, my conclusion was that technological advancements were overall beneficial.
Okay, so how did you use the conclusion and the question of others to advance your own research?
Well, I read other conclusions and questions about this topic, and it helped me find new perspectives in in this field. So when I searched up technological advancements, it gave me different perspectives, such as in the communication, medical field, transportation, production, and I decided to use these perspectives to use these perspectives and examples to conclude that technological advancements are beneficial.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.